Hey, what do you know? What do you say? It's Lou Bortone, and this is AI Today. I don't have any tools to share today, but I did want to throw something out there and ask how you feel about AI avatars and voice cloning. I had a discussion with one of my friends and colleagues and clients this morning about using AI voices to read your audiobook. And I'm not sure if Audible even allows that. I know at one point they were not allowing AI voices for you to submit AI voices for Audible audiobooks. However, between 11 Labs and Synthesia and all these other companies that continue to create better and better voice cloning and AI video avatars, I'm wondering at what point, it's really two questions. At what point will they be deemed good enough to use in place of being somewhere in person? And then the real question is, are those kinds of audios or videos going to be less engaging, less powerful, less effective than just showing up in person? So I'm curious about this because I know I travel a pretty good amount and I can't do live videos every single day, depending on where I am and what my internet connection is. And I'm wondering, okay, if I do an AI version of me to deliver the content and the content's good, is it still just as relevant, or is it somehow discounted? Or that's not really Lou, that's his bot, that's his avatar. And also, when it comes to especially podcasting and audiobooks, the voices in 11 Labs and the voice cloning in that kind of software has gotten so good. They can now do inflections and tone and attitude and inflection. Well, I said inflections already. It's going to be interesting to see how this plays out and whether or not once the technology is good enough, and maybe it is already, once the AI gets so good that people don't really know the difference. And obviously, it's a little bit easier with voice than it is with video. But once the technology is there, if it's not there already, are folks still gonna wanna see that content? Are they gonna just be like, that's AI, I don't care." So, is AI content, let me put it this way, if the content is the same and the content is relevant and the message is the same and the message is relevant, doesn't matter whether it's delivered by you on camera in person with your voice and your face or by an AI clone of you or a bot or a voice clone that in some cases people won't know the difference. I still think they'll know the difference, but I guess then the question is, does that make it any less relevant and engaging? Do people just want the content or do they really need it to be delivered by a real live human being on camera or by voice? So that's the big question. Obviously, the tech is moving really quickly and getting better and better every day. I'm sure it's just a matter of time. I was fooled by an AI avatar last week that I thought was a real person, but that wasn't a specific person. If somebody I knew had an AI avatar, I think at this point would still be able to tell the difference between the real Lou and the bot Lou. So I think it's going to be an interesting debate whether or not AI avatars can, in fact, stand in for us if we're not there or we're not feeling like showing up on camera, or AI clones, voice or video, going to be less, I don't know, less resonant, less engaging, less effective. We'll see. It's going to get really interesting really quickly, and I would love to know what you think. So I'm going to post this on, actually, we're live on LinkedIn, Facebook, and YouTube. So feel free to comment on any of those platforms and let me know what you think. Is AI good enough to replace us on camera or on audio yet? And if so, will people care if the message is still relevant? What do you guys think? Let me know. All right. We'll catch you tomorrow. Happy AI Today day, and we'll see you soon. Thanks and bye for now.